my students, I hope you all are doing well. In my previous videos, we have gone through dumbbell, weight cuff and TheraBand in part 1, while in part 2 we have seen about rope and pulley, wand exerciser and shoulder ladder. Links for both of my videos I have mentioned in description box below. Please check it out. Today's video is gonna be about another new flashcard topics. They are balance board, bolster and wall bar. So let's talk about that. Our first cue card is about balance board. So these are the questions. Identify an equipment, write its uses and define balance. So here is my sample answer. The equipment given in a picture is balance board. These are the uses of balance board. It is used in physical therapy department to improve one's balance as well as stability. It also helps to improve posture by increasing postural muscle strength. As it increases functional strength, it also reduces patients suffering from injuries and prevent falls, especially in the elder person, because in elder people, balance impairment is the major cause of fall. So, training on balance board helps to prevent fall. Static and dynamic balance training on balance board also helps to improve joint proprioception sense. It helps to improve coordination and body awareness. And the last thing is, it is always fun to do exercise on balance board. Now, the definition of balance. So, the balance is the person's ability to maintain equilibrium or the ability to maintain center of mass relative to the base of support. Now proceed to second flashcard topic. These are the questions. Identify an equipment, write its uses and define base of support. So here is my sample answer. The equipment given in a picture is bolster. If I talk about bolster, then they come in different colors and sizes. It is used for many exercises of core muscle activation, or I can say core muscle strengthening. It is used in treatment of children with cerebral palsy and also used in neurodevelopmental training. Another use of bolster is for scoliosis. Side lying on the side of convexity in case of scoliosis helps to correct the lateral curvature of the spine. Lying over the bolster along the spine provides comfortable support and it also allows the chest to open up. Rolling over bolsters helps to break down of myofascial connective tissues. One can also perform terminal knee extension exercise over bolster for strengthening of the quadriceps muscle. Now, the definition of base of support. The base of support is defined as a perimeter of the contact area between the body and its supporting surface. The foot placement alters the base of support and changes the person's postural stability. The last flashcard topic for today's video is about wall bar. These are the questions. Identify an equipment, write its uses and define limits of stability. So the answer for this flashcard is the equipment given in this picture is wall bar. Wall bar is a multifunctional exercise unit used in physical therapy department. It is basically made up of wood and some are of metal also. It is also known as a gymnastic wall bar, stall bar or Swedish wall. It is simply used for various climbing, hanging and coordination exercises. It is used as a support for patient's back while standing or weight-bearing exercises. It is also used as a hand support to aid balance or to gain height in upward jumps. For rehabilitation purpose, patient can perform standing exercise, sit to stand exercise, half or full squatting with the support of wall bar. Along with hanging on wall bar, knee and leg raise exercise is one of the best exercise for abdominal strength. Now, the last thing is about the definition of limits of stability. Limits of stability refers to the sway boundaries in which an individual can maintain equilibrium without changing his or her base of support. That's all about today's video. In my next video, I will come up with physio ball, treadmill and parallel bar. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.